So hello guys again. So this is the hardest part of the creating Dino app. We are going to we are going to the GS and let's start. So first of all, what am I doing? I'm simply writing my code. I'm adding const and I'm writing Dino is equal to document get element by ID. Yes, this one. And here I'm adding the other const for cactus, of course, and I'm writing here the same thing, but for cactus. All right, this one is good. Okay, so we already added, and now we have to add listener document and add event listener. And in event listener, I'll write k down. Okay, so k down function. And in function, I'll write event. We have to add one event. Let me do this. Let me write it here. Okay. So event, right? And yup, I think that's it. All right. So for this one, it has to be there. I want you guys to be extremely careful here because it's a bit difficult to write GS itself. So just a little bit of attention maybe, and you'll be alright. So we are adding jump and here we are closing it. Yes, we are closing it with semicolon. I'm adding the other function, which is jump. So I already wrote here jump. Okay, I don't really need that part. It's just this part. Okay, so if I'm writing if condition, if dino class list, if dino class list equal to jump, what I gotta do if it's equal to jump? Oh, sorry, it's yes. And here I'm adding those ones. And I gotta write Dino class. So if Dino is equal to it, Dino class list at jump. So you see that we add one and we have to remove one as well. So here I will set timeout zone, set timeout. It's also function, and I am adding those ones, right? And just let's do this because it's showing me error and I don't like it. Okay, so for timeout we will write Dino class list. So this time it's remove, and here it's more likely this one. And yes, so yeah, we are closing our text here. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is let is alive is equal to set interval. So we will set interval here. And this is nothing like difficult, so don't be nervous. Alright, for setting interval we're writing let dino top, right? We want it to be top and we are adding pairs function. purse. So yeah, okay. Let me first write that function and then I'll explain you how I did it. Okay? Okay. So get property value top. Sorry, I don't need it. Yes. So get property value top. I don't really needed those. And here I will need to add this one. Okay. So the other one is let cactus. This one I can actually do this. I can actually do this. We just, you know, copying this part and you are changing it to the left. Okay, give it 5 seconds. Left. You don't need that part. So it's actually the same thing. It's just you're writing here cactus. Oh, sorry. And here left. Okay. So you're writing here cactus and here left, and the last condition is if. So here you know what I wrote. No, let me write it anyway because you guys might not understand. Cactus left 50 because this is its property, guys. Alright, I am trying to add those ones. Yes, I did. So cactus left, yes, and again. So in this case, 50. So here, what I'll do is I'll add one more of this and alert, and I'll write here game is over. Sorry. Okay. Over. Yes. You do see that there's red, red buttons there, and it's error, and we don't like errors, right? So here I am changing it. Yes, now it's fine. That was it for our, for our GS. Let me explain it. What I did basically here is I said timeout. I first add jump and then I removed it. And then I set it alive and I set interval and set DNet top. So you can see here, I simply copied this too because you don't really have to write all that way because it is, you know, downloading job. And here I wrote cactus and left. So my function here is if cactus is less than 50, this cactus property, if you do remember here, we wrote it here that cactus is dino is 50, right? And I'm telling it here. If it is less than 50 and dino is more or equal to 150, game is over. Because this is when you are hitting it. Thank you for watching, guys. And I really appreciate you. Let's see. This is our game. So here, game is over. Thank you for watching, guys.